Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car seat cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for car owners, as keeping your car's interior clean and fresh is a top priority for many. This detailed review will help you navigate the world of car seat stain removers, uncovering the best options available to tackle those stubborn spills and stains, helping you maintain a pristine and comfortable driving experience. Number 5. Chemical Guys Leather Kit. This kit is your secret weapon for restoring leather. It's perfect for everything from car interiors to your favorite leather jacket. Cleaning and conditioning are key to keeping leather looking its best. This kit provides both, leaving your leather smooth, silky, and smelling fresh. The cleaner is pH balanced and odorless, gently removing dirt and oils. The conditioner, with vitamin E, nourishes and protects, reducing daily wear and tear. It's not just for cars. Use it on leather jackets, shoes, furniture, any leather item in your home. Keep everything looking and smelling its best. Chemical Guys is a trusted brand in car care, known for high-quality products and exceptional customer support. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This kit is perfect for all your leather needs, from car seats to shoes. It cleanses deeply without harsh chemicals and conditions to keep leather supple. If you value a gentle yet effective approach to leather care, this is the choice for you. What people say. Easy to use, great quality. The product really cleaned up and conditioned my leather handbags. Just after cleaning one section of a very dirty seat, you can really see the difference in the condition of the leather. The leather felt much smoother. The conditioner just amplifies that difference. The leather felt softer, more supple, even better than I remember it being when she first got the car. Does a great job cleaning and a wow factor job shinning and moisturizing. Number 4. Chemical Guys SPI 22016. Tired of using different cleaners for every surface? This product cleans and protects leather, vinyl, plastic, and more, simplifying your car detailing. Save time and money with this all-in-one solution. Keep your interior fresh and clean without worrying about damaging any surfaces, even touch screens. It's incredibly easy to use. Just mist it on and wipe it off for professional-looking results. Plus, it helps protect against sun damage. This premium formula leaves no residue, greasy feel, or extra shine. It simply restores your interior's original appearance. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. Chemical Guys is trusted by both beginners and professionals. We offer not only top-quality products but also world-class customer support and detailing expertise. What we like. One product cleans virtually every interior surface. It's incredibly convenient and leaves no streaks or oily residue. If you want a simple solution for a sparkling clean interior, this is the one for you. What people say. This total interior, I have to say, has met or exceeded my expectations. Secondly, this does have a UV protectant in it, which of course, led me to purchase this. I've said on here before that if you are going to take the time to detail, and make the effort, you should not waste your time with products, especially interior products, that don't protect the interior from UV damage. What's nice about this Total Interior Cleaner Protectant, TSEP, is the way it goes on. It works especially well cleaning off your armrests and control modules for windows, door locks. The final look is very nice. It's not a shine or a heavy sheen, it's in between the OEM flat look, when you first purchase a new car, and the light satin. This product is exactly as advertised. It works on everything, leather seats, dashboard, plastic, windshield, windows, etc. It doesn't leave streaks either. Number 3. Chemical Guys CWS 20316 Fabric Clean. It dissolves and removes dirt, odors, and stains from automotive carpets, fabrics, and upholstery. Its deep penetrating foam makes detailing easy and professional. The foaming action lifts particles to the surface for easy cleanup with a microfiber towel or hot water extractor. This makes cleaning quick and efficient. Unlike low-grade cleaners, it's detergent-free and low moisture. It leaves fabrics feeling soft and clean, not stiff or crusty. It's blended with patented odor elimination enzymes. This actively destroys odor-causing microbes, eliminating foul odors at the source. Beginners and professionals choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products, world-class support, and detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This cleaner's intense foam lifts dirt and odors from fabrics. It leaves surfaces feeling soft and fresh, not stiff or crusty. If you're battling tough stains and odors in your car's upholstery, this is your best bet. What people say. Easy to use too. Excellent fabric cleaner. A couple drops and some parts immediately were clean and the rest just took a little bit of elbow grease to get it completely out. It's also concentrated, so you can dilute according to your needs. It really goes a long way, so you don't have to mix it with a strong concentration unless you have a really stubborn stain. Number 2. CR Guy's Super Cleaner. Tired of cleaners that don't live up to the hype? This newly formulated cleaner uses nanotechnology to lift away dirt and grime at a molecular level. It's a game changer. Confused by all the different cleaning supplies? Simplify your car cleaning routine with this one multi-purpose product. It's the king of all cleaners. It works on upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more. This versatile cleaner tackles everything except glass and delicate screens. One product, countless uses. We're committed to quality. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science and manufactured in the USA. You can trust it to work great, every time. We care about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, our team will do everything to make things right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It tackles a wide variety of stains and surfaces with ease thanks to its advanced formula. This cleaner simplifies your cleaning routine. If you need one product to handle almost any cleaning task, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. It works wonders on leather car seats and various surfaces, leaving everything clean and spotless with minimal effort. What stood out the most was its incredible versatility. Car Guy's car cleaner tackled every cleaning task I threw at it with ease. Stubborn stains on my seats, smudges on the dashboard, and mysterious spots on the upholstery vanished before my eyes. I've been buying this for years. It gets out coffee stains, blood stains, just about everything. I've used this on my white Tesla vegan leather, no issues. Number 1. Chemical Guys SPI_993_16 Cleaner. This powerful cleaner tackles dirt and grime with ease. It's perfect for all your cleaning needs, leaving surfaces spotless and residue-free. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. Its advanced formula cuts through grease and oil, restoring surfaces to their original shine in seconds. This versatile cleaner works on everything from upholstery to engine bays. It delivers professional results, no matter the surface. It's gentle yet powerful, safe for all surfaces. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a truly clean finish. Chemical Guys is the go-to brand for car care, offering not only top-quality products but also world-class support. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This powerful cleaner tackles dirt and grime on any surface without leaving behind any color, odor, or residue. It's effective yet gentle. If you need a powerful yet invisible cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I use this for the car and inside the house. This stuff is amazing. No odor and literally is a power cleaner. You can water it down if you are using it for easy jobs, which will help it last longer, but I couldn't recommend this enough. Love this APC. As far as the cleaner itself, this is fantastic stuff. Zero smell, which is great, non-abrasive, but really does the job. It got out a year-old stain on my car seat where nothing else had ever worked. I used it on the rest of the car interior as well, leather, plastic, mesh etc., and the car really looks and feels brand new again. I had a number of accumulated stains from my kids on the rear cloth seats of my car. I tried spot cleaning, which was only partially helpful. Then I had a professional car wash clean and detail the inside of the car, and this still left stains. As a last resort, I bought Invisible Super Cleaner and I was blown away and what a great job it did. I sprayed the whole seat, waited a minute, then rubbed it with an absorbent rag. It foamed a bit, then the white foam and stains disappeared. I bought it, used it, and 100% recommend it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.